I am Poo Poo the cat. I am from Bali, an island in Indonesia. I live in a beautiful place called Canggu with my papa. I surf every morning. I go to my favorite beach, Echo Beach in Canggu. My friends, Kitchi, Ziggy and Lil Wednesday. Me and my friends go on many adventures around Bali. We surf together. Me and my friends always like to bring our boards on our trips and like to surf all together. Sometimes we do a party wave. We love nasi campur. After surfing, we go to the warung to eat nasi campur. We love Indonesian food.
Hi, I'm Lil Wednesday. This is my surfboard. I ride my surfboard every day. My surfboard has many parts. It has fins, a leash and I use wax so I can ride it.
We love to watch the sunset. We are coming to your beach.
Poo Poo, the surfing cat, yeah, yeah. Poo Poo, the surfing cat, yeah, yeah. Gliding through the sea, so cool, so rad. Catch a wave, catch a dream. Life's a splash, it's a sunbeam. Me, I'm